Hello friends, today we are in vegetable fields and today we learn about the biopesticide and other methods to control plant disease and insect pest. Biopesticide are natural pesticide or plant derivatives or derives from various organic sources. In this chapter we learn about the types of biopesticide, their method of application, their mode of action, benefits of biopesticide and limitations of application of biopesticides. There is a balance between the insect pest and plant diseases or pathogens with the plant. With the intensive use of pesticide, this balance has lost and the pest and disease are occurring in various forms. In natural, a balance exists between pest and natural enemies. Wherever there are incidents of pest, the natural enemies multiply in large number and keep them in check, while pesticides cannot distinguish between the pest and beneficial organism. Therefore, the organic growers or organic farmers should try to conserve natural enemies already present in the crop environment and enhance their impact. This can be achieved with a specific module. First of all, minimize the application of natural pesticide like chemical pesticide anyway are not permitted in organic farming. Allow some pest to live in the field which will serve as food or host for natural enemies. Third one is establish a diverse cropping system like mixed cropping system. Fourth one is include host plant providing food or shelter for natural enemies. Then flowers which adult beneficial insect feed on, and last one is use of microbial and botanical pesticide to control weeds, pest and diseases. So there are different biopesticide available in market for use like botanical pesticide, microbial pesticide, plant incorporated protectants, biochemical pesticide. First of all, we know about botanical pesticide. Botanical pesticide or natural insecticide are organic and natural pesticide. They are derived from the plant and minerals. They have naturally occurring defensive properties. They have proven to be more useful than conventional insecticide or pesticide for insect and pest management. So, we learn about the first group of biopesticide, that is botanical pesticide. Botanical pesticide or natural insecticide are organic and natural pesticide that are derived from plant or minerals that have naturally occurring defensive properties. They have proven to more useful than conventional insecticide as insect become more resistant to systemic pesticides or synthetic pesticides. Botanical pesticide have pesticidal quality like antifeedant, repellent, insecticidal, acariciidal. Such plant material used in organic agriculture for the management of insect pest and diseases. Second one is microbial pesticide. This consists of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, virus or protozoa as an active ingredient. Third one is plant incorporated protectants. There are the substance having pesticidal action produced by genetic material of the plants or bacteria, for example pesticidal protein of Bacillus thuringiensis. Fourth one is biochemical pesticide. These are naturally occurring substances. They exert pesticidal property by non-toxin mechanism, for example insect sex pheromone and pheromone traps. So now we are discussing about botanical pesticide or plant derivatives pesticides. There are so many plants which having pesticidal properties like neem, Adzaricta indica. Neem is widely found in India and used in natural medicines. It has emerged the single most important source of botanical insecticide. Neem leaves and seeds having insecticidal properties. Neem preparation are found to be effective against more than 30 species of insect pest. First of all, we are discussing about neem seed kernel extract. Neem seed kernel extract or NSKE is prepared from dried neem seeds. About 25 kg of dried neem seeds are collected and crushed into pieces. These crushed seeds are tied in muslin cloth and soaked overnight in a container having 50 liters of water. A locally available emulsifier is also used for uniform spread of this neem seed kernel extract in field. This extract is also used as a prophylactic measures. It has to be used up within 1 to 2 days for making to avoid deterioration of active ingredients. Second one is neem oil. Neem oil has also insecticidal management potential and a potential to manage insect pest, particularly soft bodied insects such as aphids, whiteflies. This neem oil is also used for lepidopteran insect, and this neem oil work as repellent for number of lepidopteran insects that can be managed by the spray of neem oil. The neem oil is used with normal water in 3 ml to 5 ml per liter of water, and emulsifier like any soap are also added in this neem oil for better spread and management of lepidopteran insects. Third one is neem cake. The material left after extraction of oil from neem seed kernel called neem cake. This neem cake is used in soil for management of soil insects like termite, white grub and other soil insects. This neem cake is also used for boosting the microflora in soil, and that can help in management of various soil borne diseases like pythium, fusarium and all other fungi which are present in soil and affect the plant in later stage. Fourth one is neem leaf decoction. Boiling neem leaves in water can make neem leaf decoction. About 6 to 8 kilogram fresh neem leaves are picked, put in 10 liter water and boiled till the solution attain a dark brown color. After 10 to 12 hours, the solution is mixed with 8 to 100 liter of clean water and sprayed for management of insect pest in the fields, particularly in vegetable fields. Then a botanical is custard apple. It is found in the dry tracts of India, which is also known as custard apple or sitafal. The leaves of sitafal and seeds of this plant contain insecticidal property, which are used in pest management in traditional farming system and now in particularly in vegetables. The plant is useful against stem borer, fruit borer and sucking pest and scale insect and plant hoppers. Then turmeric. Turmeric powder is being used by the farmers to control tomato wilt. A solution of turmeric powder is prepared to treat the roots of seedling in tomato nurseries before they are transplanted. The turmeric solution is also effective for the control of cotton semilooper, mites, grain leafhopper, aphids, etc. and some plant disease also. It is prepared by powdering 1 kilogram of dry turmeric into a fine powder, which is then added in 3 to 4 liter of cow urine. 1 liter of this solution is diluted in 10 liter water and sprayed on crops. The solution is properly mixed and 4 milliliter of soap solution is added in 1 liter of spray solution for proper spreading and sticking. Then hing. It is also a plant derivative. Asphytida or hing is used by the farmers for control of termites. About 40 to 50 gram hing is tied in a cotton cloth. 2 or 3 such packets are placed in the irrigation channel at a distance of about 20 to 30 meter from each other irrigation. This disagreeable odor repels termites and other insects. Nowadays, farmers of chickpea growing crop are used hing with buttermilk for control of wilt disease in gram and lentil crop. Then onion. The use of onion along with common salt is effective for control of store pest. Onion can also be used as a foliar spray to manage different insect pest in the field. The strong odor of onion repels to insects. 1 kilogram onion is crushed in 100-liter water and sprayed on the crop wherever insect pests are seen in the crop or damaging the crop. Then chili, capsicum annum. Use of dry chili is one of the most popular practice for controlling insect pests in the field or particularly in stored situation. For instance, the control of stored pest in mung bean, the dry chili is placed 4 to 5 chilies per kilogram of seed. Nowadays, some farmers are also use garlic and chili solution for control of insect pest in the fields. Arc, calotropis. Calotropis or arc can be used for control of termite and for caterpillar of insects. For termite control, about 8 to 10 kg of plant material is soaked in water for 24 hours. The liquid is filtered and poured over the termite affected soil. Another solution can be made from the latex of the some plants. The latex of calotropis is diluted with water in the ratio of 1 to 15. This effectively control caterpillars of insect within 2 to 3 days. Then castor, about 500 gram of sealed castor seeds or 750 gram of unsealed seeds are crushed. The crushed seeds are heated into 2 liter of water for 10 minutes. A little soap is added for better spreading. The solution is filtered and then 10 liter of water is added into. The final solution is sprayed on the vegetables and many horticultural crops for control of insect pest and harmful insects. Then lantana. Lantana camera leaves, water and methanol extract shown insecticidal property against stone pest, pulse beetle. This lantana leaves are used for management of insect pest in stored grains or pulses. Tulsi. As we know about the use and application of tulsi leaves, all the parts of tulsi plants including stem, leaves and roots are used in making different preparations. The leaves of plant are boiled with the water and sprayed after adding soap solution. This is done at the rate of 100 gram per 1 liter of water within 1 milliliter of soap solution. The solution can be used for effective control of aphids, armyworm, red cotton bug, cockroach, mosquitoes, etc. in general life. Then marigold. The extract of marigold plant and flowers has known for its use against insect pests and nematodes. The flowers are crushed into a paste and diluted with water for making spray. Growing the marigold is recommended in kitchen garden and around home to repel mosquitoes. In general, the roots of marigold plants inhibit the growth of nematodes, particularly in vegetable fields. Nowadays, the farmers are used intercropping or 16 rows of tomato and 2 rows of marigold for management of nematodes in polyhouse or net house conditions. Now we are discussing about the use of microbial biopesticide. Microbial biopesticide consist of a microorganism such as bacteria, fungi, virus or protozoa. As an active ingredient, it can control many different kinds of insect pests, although each separate active ingredient is really specific for its target pest. The microbial agents used to manage insect and pest is often referred as a microbial biopesticide. Microorganisms and insects are associated in different ways. Some are naturally benefited. The microbial biopesticide are very specific in their action and are easy to use. Under microbial biopesticide, the large number of bacterial biopesticide are used. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms without a defined nuclei. They are mostly associated with causing disease in human as well as in plants. However, there are several bacteria that work as pathogen to serve insect. These bacteria play an important role in the development of bacterial insecticide. Bacteria that can control several insects are highly specific towards the hosts and it make it different enough to develop as an alternative to chemical insecticide. Bacterial biopesticide are most common form of microbial biopesticide that function is multiple ways. Under bacterial biopesticide, there are number of bacteria which can be used in insect pest control like Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus subtilis, Pseudomonas. First is Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis is widely used bacteria which can control insects such as moths, beetles, flies, aphids, butterflies and some pathogens like Pythium. The mechanism of BT to control the insect is depending on its toxin. The endotoxin, which is crystallized protein that is soluble in alkaline condition, the pH of the guts of insect is mostly alkaline, and as is inject the toxin easily dissolve the midgut region. These BT are used in preparing resistant varieties or BT varieties. Second one is Bacillus subtilis. It is used for management of soil borne diseases. This Bacillus subtilis used in soil and control number of soil pathogens. Next one is Pseudomonas. It is mostly used bacteria for control of soil borne diseases like sclerotial wilt, fusarium wilt and so many others. Pseudomonas is also work as PGPR. Next group is fungal biopesticide. Fungi are another group of microorganisms which are widely used as biopesticide. There are more than 700 species of entomopathogenic fungi, but only 10 species can be utilized for insect control. Most of the fungi assist to host insect through their body cuticle. First is Metarrhizum anasophyllae. It is available in vegetable powder and in liquid formulation. Mycelial fragments and spores of Metarrhizum anasophyllae are highly active on white grubs, beetle grubs, caterpillars, cutworm and sucking pests like Pyrella, mealybug and aphids. In sugarcane, groundnut, rice, tobacco, potato, maize, barley, cotton crop, also in soybean, orange and other horticulture crops. It infects all stages of insect including eggs, larva, pupa, nymph and adults. Metarrhizum anasophyllae is widely used for management of soil insect in various crops. Then Bubera bassiana. Bubera bassiana is a common fungi found in the soil. Commercially, it is available in water dispersible powder, emulsifying or liquid formulation. It is highly active on Lepidopteran caterpillars including Helicoburpa and other borers like hairy caterpillar, pest of vegetables and fruit plants and sucking pest like mites and spider mites in vegetables, feed aphids and scale insects, locusts in different crops. It infects all stages of insect including egg, larva, pupa, grubs, nymph, hoppers and adults. Verticillium lacini. Verticillium lacini is another microbial pesticide which is used in insect pest management. It is available in the vegetable powder and liquid formulation. This fungus is very effective on insect which suck the plant sap or sucking type insect like scale insects, aphids, thrips, mites, bugs, jetsits, hopper. On the crop like mustard, sugarcane, mango, rice, cotton, tomato, chili, brinjal, onion, coffee and some fruit and flower plants. It attack at all the stages of insect including egg, larva, pupa, nymph and adults. Then Trichoderma viridi. Trichoderma viridi is mostly used biopesticide. This is a biocontrol agent having widely used against many plant pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, nematodes and other higher parasitic plant. It is available in powder, vegetable powder or liquid formulations. It acts on plant pathogen through competition for space, nutrition, parasitization, disintegration the pathogen hyphae by enzymes and antagonism. A part of this Trichoderma viridi metabolites stimulate seed germination, plant growth and early flower formation. It can be used along with some bacteria also. Then arbuscular mycorrhiza. Arbuscular mycorrhizae. It is available as soil applicable formulation. It creates resistance to the entry of pathogen and nematodes in plant. On the other hand, it also helps the plants to absorb nutrients by altering root anatomy and modifying root exudates and root system morphology. Why is the plant get food healthy as well as less disease incidence. Nowadays, arbuscular mycorrhiza is widely used in horticultural crops for improving the nutrients uptake and control of some plant diseases. Then another microbial pesticide are viral biopesticide. The majority that are being developed as the nuclear polyhydrobiasis and lesser extent of granulosis virus GV, which belongs to family Baculoviridae. NPB is highly active on Helicoverpa armigera, which is a major pest of cotton, pigeon pea, gram, tomato, cabbage, pea, groundnut, tobacco and other crops. When the larva ingest, it causes severe infection in the larva body, causing darkening and desiccation of tissue and ultimately larval death. Death occur within 2 to 4 hours. The NPB infection is also carried inside the infected pupa and adults if spray is done during larval stage. The application of NP virus is used in 100 LE per acre with 200 liter of water. So friends, now we discussing about method of application of biopesticide. These biopesticide or biological agents can be applied to various plant parts like seed, root, foliage and also for the soil. First of all, the seed treatment. Seed treatment with the biological agent is a very simple way. Biological seed treatment consists of active ingredient that can include microbes like fungi and bacteria as well as plant extract and algae extract. Biological substances are applied on the seed in a powder form or such a liquid and even layer cover the whole seed. About 2 to 5 to 10 gram of this solution or powder is used for 1 kilogram of seed. The biological agent like trichoderma is very effective when applied in the soil. About 5 kilogram of trichoderma viridae or trichoderma species mixed with 100 kilogram of farmyard manure or well rotten cattle manure. It is mossed with water for 1 week period and then broadcast in the soil after plowing before sowing of seed in moist condition or when soil is moist. The biopesticide can also be sprayed on the crop as a foliar spray by using of sprayer. 1 kilogram of biopesticide mixed with 200 to 500 liter of water can be sprayed on the crop for 1 hectare area. To protect the seedling from pests and diseases, they can be treated with biopesticide before planting. About 10 gram of biopesticide is mixed with 1 liter of water and the seedling of vegetables are dipped in this solution for 30 minutes. The treated seedlings are then planted in main field. The biopesticide solution make a thin layer around the root plants which protect the plant by harmful fungi. Another method of biopesticide application is soil drenching. Soil drenching is most suitable for plantation crops. It has been observed that certain diseases appear every year and affect the plants. To inactive them, the soil around the plant is applied with the biopesticide solution. This process is called soil drenching. In vegetable and flower crops, the nursery soil is treated with biopesticide or inoculated with the biopesticide by mixing in the soil. The seeds is sown after mixing of the inoculation in the seed. It provides protectant to the young seedling from the various plant diseases. Now we are going to discuss about advantage of biopesticide. These are less expensive. They are environmentally friendly and cause no pollution to soil, air or water. The biopesticide are cheaper than the chemical pesticide. They do not create resistance in plant. no harmful effect on beneficial microbes in the environment. Biopesticides do not require repeated application as they are multiply themselves. They help in including resistance to the crops. They are safe to farmer who handle them. Now we are discussing about disadvantage of biopesticide. Biopesticides are having short shelf life. Then they are limited available. Quantity of products required specialized skill in the preparation. The action of biopesticide is comparatively slow on the pest. Dealers not interested to sell biopesticide because limited sell margin on these sale and less quantity of biopesticides are available in the market. Now we are discussing about other practices for disease control. First of all, we can apply sulfur to control the plant diseases, the wettable sulfur 80% or sulfur in another form are used to control powdery mildew and downy mildew in the various crops. Then Vodo Mishran. Vodo Mishran is most commonly used fungicide. We can multiply or we can make Vodo Mishran, copper sulphate or lime. It is most effective against number of plant diseases of fruits, vegetable and ornamentals. It can be effective against diseases such as leaf spot caused by bacteria, fungi, powdery mildew, downy mildew and various anthracnose causing pathogens. Then acidic clays. Acidic clays have a fungicidal effect due to aluminum oxide or aluminum sulphate as active agent. They are used as an alternative to copper products but are often less efficient. Then we can use milk. Milk has also been used against blight, mildew, mosaic virus and other fungal and viral diseases. Spraying every 10 days with a mixture of 1 liter of milk to 10 to 15 liter of water is effective against many diseases. Baking soda. Baking soda has been used to control mildew and rust disease in various plants. Then we are discussing about integrated pest management. There are number of methods to control plant diseases or insect appearing in the plants. So we integrate all the methods like crop rotation, use of resistant variety, summer plowing, application of biopesticide, application of botanicals and other available methods which are used to control insect pest and plant pathogens. They called integrated pest management. It is very knowledge intensive and most effective method to control the plant disease and insect pest in present scenario. There are so many methods like mechanical methods. We can use pheromone traps, we can use light trap to monitor the insect and now we can apply botanicals, biopesticide and natural pesticide for control of insect pest and diseases in various crops. Let's sum up. Pest and disease management consists a range of activities that support each other. There is a balance between pest and disease or pathogen with plant. With the intensive use of pesticide, this balance has lost and pest and diseases are occurring in various forms. In nature, a balance exists between pest and natural enemies. The general approach is organic agriculture to deal with the cause of a problem rather than treating the symptoms also applies to pest and disease. Therefore, management is of a much higher priority than control. Botanical pesticides have assumed importance because of the hazard associated with the use of synthetic pesticide to human beings and animals and also for environment. The use of these botanicals is very simple and economic to the farmers, while microbial biopesticides are the product of obtained from microorganisms which are beneficial and can be applied against the plant disease and insect pest. The microbial biopesticides are very specific in their action and also easy to use. The most widely used microbial pesticide is type of bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis or Bt. a large number of microbial biopesticides are available in the market for the farmers. Further, integrated pest management or IPM can control pests and diseases, which are an effective and environmental sensitive approach to pest management and relies on a combination of common sense practices. So, this is about the biopesticide application, mode of application, types, use, advantage and limitations of biopesticide. So, friends, we sum up this lesson or this biopesticide chapter.